Hi again, my name's Jack Weir. I'm with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to show you a 30T Winnebago Sunstar LX, model years 2018. Really a great 3-slide coach with full queen walk-around bed. Just like location, and real estate, it's floor plan, and coaches. So let's go look at the floor plan. Okay, so let's start in the bedroom. You do have the full walk-around queen bed, and this is a full walk-around. Easy to make up for you, piece of cake. Nice television centered directly over the front of the TV. Wardrobes left and right. Storage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the bottom of the drawers, 2 on the top, and then nice shelving for your foldables down there. Moving forward, you come into your bathroom. You got the lav on the left-hand side. Nice appointments, good interior on this one. And then on the right-hand side, you're going to have your shower. This does have the dome on top, so it doesn't matter how big you are, you're going to be able to fit in there and take a nice, comfortable, relaxing shower. Moving forward, we come into the galley. We've got the refrigerator on the right, top freezer, refrigerator, pantries, extendable shelf for your workspace, double stainless sink, nice storage top and bottom, microwave, 3-burner cooktop, gas stove. This model has the dinette. It's a 4-chair dinette or a 2-chair, whichever you prefer. It's convertible. Additional chairs are stored underneath the back bed. This one does have the televator, which means that when you're not watching television, this will go down into the cabinet and you have all of that counter space. Really great storage above both couches. This does fold out into a bed, give you additional seating. And then towards the front, you do have the overhead bunk. That's a 1 button up and down on the bunk. Quiet, fast, real easy to move up and down. Easy deployment. Okay, up front you have your information center, which I want to point out, it is tilted towards the driver. So you don't have the sun glare on it. Very large, you can see anything you're looking for. There it is, pop up now. Okay, so large type and everything on there. Get all of your information real quick. You do have 1 button levelization, that's over just to the left of your steering wheel. Remote mirrors, good instrument panel. This thing's great. Take it out on the road. Have a great time. What more could you ask for? Thanks again. My name is, again, Jack Weir. You can contact me at 541-654-1820 or at jack.weir@guarantee.com. Call me with any questions. Thanks a lot.